Greetings Earthlings, it's Brittany Cole, your favorite grungy alien punk, coming to you today with just a little mini vlog. I'm actually filming this intro at the end of the day, and honestly I didn't get much footage, but we did attempt to make some Big Bang face masks. It was kind of a fail, but we did at least get one out of it. I was planning to make a top face mask, I was planning to make a Big Bang group face mask, and as you'll see, those didn't happen. But we did get one mask out of this whole ordeal, so I figured I would still share it with you guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys still enjoy this little mini vlog. So I stopped at the Japanese store Daiso the other day looking for chopsticks because I thought they would probably have a good selection, a good array of chopsticks. And I was right, and I ended up finding these cute little buddies. Like, look at them, they're so cute. Got a little panda bear, cat, polar bear. I think he's a little sea lion maybe, and some penguins. I'm in love, they're so cute. I'm gonna wanna eat everything with them. But while I was there, I couldn't help but wander into the snack section, and everything looked so good. I ended up picking up these lemon ginger chews, which I've had ginger chews before, but I haven't had lemon ginger chews, and I haven't had this brand. It's Prince of Peace, and this norimaki arare, I think maybe is how you say it. It's just rice crackers with seaweed. So I figured I'd do a little taste test and try them both out. This is so good. Hey Mom, wanna try some norimaki arare with me? Some rice crackers with seaweed.
I think I just got crackers.
Kind of like a sushi roll. It's got that same flavor.
I think I like the crackers better without seaweed.
I think you should try this one.
Oh.
She's not a fan of ginger. I am. Whenever I make juices, I just throw in like a huge chunk of ginger into one juice. The more gingery, the better. Ah, there you go.
Thanks.
Oh my god. That is so good.
I'm not gonna like it.
It's
Gingery.
no, I think it's more like candied, like sugary. I was expecting it to be chewier. Hey! You like them?
I could eat that.
Right? Those are really good. I've had them before where they're like definitely chewier, and these are like soft.
Those are soft.
Yeah.
Oh, they have a gingery aftertaste.
I was going to make more of these like T-shirt prints. Look at, his pants started getting rubbed off. So I don't know if I should do it. That white wasn't there before. And then I had I was cutting out this one, and then that appeared. I rubbed it off on accident. And then so I was like, well, I'll just cut out a little GD. And he started getting rubbed off all over.
Maybe it's either old or maybe where you're holding it with your finger and turning it.
I'm wondering if that one could still look okay, even though it's kind of rubbed off.
I think so.
So I might try that. We might try to make a little GD mask. Might as well, right? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. We're gonna do it. Smooth this face mask out a little. Let it keep preheating a bit. I can't decide if I like this makeup or not. I tried to model it after Maddie from Euphoria, one of her looks. And I'm thinking about going to the store and getting some new makeup and rhinestones so I can create more Euphoria looks, because I just finished rewatching that show for the like 3rd time, and oh my god, that makeup, the outfits in that show, I love it all. Especially Maddie and Jules, even though Rue is my favorite character because I connect to her so much. I just see so much of myself in Rue. But the other one's got incredible makeup. Rue has a couple really cool makeup looks, but yeah. I think it is time. This has preheated. We're gonna take our little GD man who's already got ink rubbing off, sadly. And stick him right here on this mask. I think to the side a bit because I'm thinking I might get some like fabric markers or fabric paint and paint on here too. I think that is probably good. We just need to let it sit for a couple minutes. And then we'll do the reveal. Let's see, let's hope little GD came out on here. Okay, we gotta start it up here. Ooh, he's there. Damn, the clock in the background. Always ruining my videos. How dare it? Here's our little GD on a mask. He's just a little man floating on a mask. I think it'll be cute if I get some like fabric paint or something and do something else on here. I actually really like him. Look at him. He's so cute. GD. She said, I'm so tired. And I said, I know you are, but what am I? And she said, annoying. Rude! Even though it's not as decorated as I want it to be, I'm wearing my little GD mask out for the first time.
Where are we going?
Aldi!
We go. Aldi.
The only place we go. The place of the incident where I got yelled at. Yeah, Aldi.